Hi students, in this video I would like to speak to 6th standard students. Students, in the previous classes we have completed about 3 lessons. Till the last class we have completed 3 lessons. And what is first lesson? Our food. And what is second lesson? Playing with magnets. And what is third lesson? Rain, where does it come from? And especially about rain, where does it come from chapter, if you see the description box below the videos, you can find a link related to a questionnaire. If you click on the link, you will find a question paper, and the question paper is objective type question paper. If you answer to that questions, and you will get some points. That each question carries 1 point. If the questionnaire is about 3 questions, you will get 3 points if you give correct answers. And if the questionnaire is about 5 questions and you will write all correct answers, then you will get 5 points. Okay, like that the questionnaire is given here in this video. Means in this the chapter, the new chapter I'm going to start. That before revealing this name of the chapter, before revealing the name of this chapter, I would like to give you an instruction, same as how I have given for third chapter, that regarding question. Here what I would like to give you is, in this chapter I would like to give a question in the comment section. I will give you questions in the comment section, and also I will give you a timestamp for reference of the answer. If you click the timestamp, you will get the answer in the video. Okay students, rather you just clicking the timestamps, you have to answer. You just watch the video and you just answer to the question, and after you answer you click on the stamp and you will get the answer, and you can get referred yourself as whether you are right or wrong. Okay, like that. Before revealing the name of the lesson name, I would like to give you some illustrations that we generally experience in our day-to-day life. Let me ask you some questions. Do you have pet animals in your house? If so, what are they? Most of us would like to look after the pet animals like dog, cat, and some other cattle as well. But if you observe the food they eat, can you name the foods of the animals, the pet animals that you look after at your homes? What does dog eat? What does a cat eat? What does a goat eat? What does a sheep eat? What does a cow eat? What does a buffalo eat? Yeah, I think you can expect what lesson are we going to learn. What do animals eat? That's right. The lesson name is what do animals eat. Students, you note down the name of the lesson in your notebook, heading portion of the page. Okay, and after write the lesson name, you just keep on listening it and you keep on noting the points in your notebook. Okay students, and most of the lessons, if you see in the science textbook, they start with a story. Am I right? Yes. The story starts in this chapter is, Karthik, a boy, has a pet dog in his house, and he usually plays with the pet dog by tossing it a ball or a biscuit, or even sometimes some small leaves and twigs as well. The boy Karthik usually plays with the dog. He plays with the dog by tossing some articles like ball, biscuit, and the twigs, leaves, twigs, etc. But when he tosses the biscuit, the dog immediately jumps into air and catches the biscuit in the mid-air and eats up quickly. But it doesn't eat the ball and the twigs of the leaves. Did you understand the situation? What is the lesson name? Yeah. What do animals eat? You can understand the biscuit is the food for the dog, and the ball and the leaves or twigs of plants are not food for the dog. Okay, like that. Students, while he is tossing the things like biscuit, ball, and twigs or leaves, he observes the dog's activities, like how does it act. Okay, when he throws or when he tosses something, the dog usually sniffs first. It's a common activity that every dog does before it finds to eat something. Okay, students, like this, here Karthik often wonders that the dog is trying to find out by sniffing. And also Karthik wonders for why do dogs first sniff food before they eat it. And like this, Karthik questioned himself. Okay, in the previous chapter we talked about our own food and the different varieties eaten by us. There are a wide variety of animals in the living world, and they too eat a wide variety of food items. Let us see how animals eat their food in this chapter. Okay, students, you just take this video as an introduction of this chapter, and in the next class we will discuss about activities wise. Okay, we will discuss in detail about taking in food, how do they eat, what body parts help the animals to take the food, find the food, and all we will discuss in a tabular manner. Okay, students, and this is for today, students. Thank you for listening. Thank you one and all.